Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change your lock screen passcode on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now you will need to put in the current passcode if you have any. And then go down and tap on Change Passcode. Now put in your old passcode. And then now we will be able to put in the new passcode. So put in your passcode again to confirm. Now this will take a few seconds. Just wait for it to change the passcode. And that's it. So the passcode has now been changed. And that's how you can change the passcode on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.